Holy cow, he just got crazy. Do we know who is behind him? A police officer? Hey, I'm Shane from Shane's the Law. This is Shane's Spin, okay? This case comes to us from overseas, basically, as you'll see when we get to the police car. But look at this horrendous accident, okay? This is a fleeing teen driver, reported going over 100 miles an hour. You can see him weaving already, okay? This reminds me of sometimes when you're driving down the road and you see that one person driving erratically super fast. In this particular case, they're chasing this person. Obviously, you can see they're in the middle of the road because they're driving so fast, it's dangerous. You can see them start to lose control even here. They're not able to maintain a steady course. And then what happens? They come up to pass a large vehicle, truck, and they're wrong. And they hit the back end of it. And look at the horrendous damage on this vehicle, okay? And not only that, it looks like the police car also smashes it as it basically whips into their lane as well. No indication on what happens to the dump truck. However, they're probably more or less okay because those vehicles are so large, which is one reason why a lot of people like larger vehicles. However, I can't imagine those teens are okay in this particular case. It's one of the dangerous things about high-speed collisions, okay? I mean, people start going so fast and just destroys cars, okay? Clearly here, the fleeing vehicle is at fault. Some people say the police shouldn't be following people that fast. There's certain rules about that in every jurisdiction. They have different rules on high-speed collision cases, who they can chase, who they can't, things like that. Tell us down below, you think teenage drivers at fault or you think the police shouldn't have been chasing them? I'm Shane from Shane's Law. This is Shane's Spin. And remember, if you're in pain, call Shane 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.